Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video we will do these two awesome time effects in Adobe Premiere Pro. And if you want to know how to do these effects, stick around, I'll show you how. First, let's fire up Adobe Premiere Pro. Now import your background. I chose this background. Then make a new transparent video. Your transparent video should be the same resolution of your background. Then press OK. Drag your transparent video into your timeline. Then go to Effects panel and search for Timecode effect. You will find this effect under Video Effects Video. After that, put your timecode effects in your transparent video. Now we want to remove this field symbol. To remove it, go to Effect Controls panel and under Timecode effect, you will see field symbol. Uncheck that box to remove it. Now we want to reduce the timer box opacity down to 0. Now we want to increase the timer size, and that according to what you like. And if you want, you can change the timer position. And here we want only the minutes and the seconds. To do that, simply go to the Effects panel and search for the crop effect and apply it to the transparent video. Now open the Effect Controls panel and select the crop effect and crop your timer. And you can make your timer longer by searching the transparent video layer. And if you want to change your timer color, go to the Effects panel and search for the tint effect and apply it to the transparent video. After that, go to the Effect Controls panel and enter the tint effect. Change the second color to whatever you like. Now we finished the first effect, and that's the result. Now let's do this more advanced timer effect. First, go to the pen tool and keep pressing on it for 1 second and select the ellipse tool. Then draw a precise circle by holding the left mouse button and the shift key. Now we want to center this circle. To center it, go to the graphics panel and select the shape layer, and under essential graphics, press edit and press these two buttons. And you can scale it if you want. After that, uncheck the fill box and check the stroke box because we only want the stroke. Now change the stroke color. I will choose orange. Now we want to increase the stroke size. Now duplicate the shape layer and select it, and under Essential Graphics, press edit and scale it down. I will scale it to 90. And again, change the stroke color. I will choose white. Now get back to your editing panel and make the same timer that we made it before. I will speed up this part because all of us know how to do it. After that, nest these two shape layers, and in the Effects panel, search for the Radial Wipe effect and apply it to the nested layer. Then go to Effect Controls panel, and at the end of your nested layer, press the stopwatch of Transition Compilation to create a keyframe and change the value of it to 100. Then go to the beginning of your nested layer and place a keyframe with the value of 0. Now we have this nice animation, and to make it smoother, ease in and ease out these two keyframes. And if you want to reverse your timer, right click on it and go to the speed duration and check the reverse speed box. And if it's not available like here, there is a way to fix that. To fix it, next the timer layer, and now you can reverse it. Now we finished this more advanced timer effect. Let's see the result. I hope you like this tutorial. See you next time.